Particular video you're about to watch is actually going to change a lot right now, and this is actually going to be a game changer for you if you actually join this particular project. All right, so this particular project is called the Drft Party, and I'm going to be showing you the significance of this particular project and why you should actually join right now. All right, without further ado, let's move straight into the video in details. Right, so currently you can see this is the home page for this particular project right now. I can see the amount of people that are actually using this project monthly. So right here you can see we have about 438 members, 438,000 are the people using this particular project, which means a lot of people they don't know about this, and this is going to cook very well right here. All right, so you want to register? Yeah, I'm going to post the link to the description of this particular video, and also just go straight to the comment section, go ahead to draw and register right here. So I'm going to be making a review on how to play this and how to benefit from the income that you're going to be getting from this particular project right now. So the first thing first, once you register, is actually going to pop up just this way, and once it pop up just this way, all you need to do is to come in to connect your wallet, right? So you're going to click on this particular side, you need to connect a wallet. So click on mining right here, click on mining. Let me go back. All right, so click on your profile, then you are going to see right here connect wallet. So wallet is connected right here, so you're going to see. So currently I've drafted about 2,516 about draft right here, and which I'm about to do more right now. So once you click on that, you are going to connect your wallet into your Turn wallet, and that is the first step right here. So after you've done that, then you can start playing this particular game. All you need to do is to make this particular draft stay on. Then how do you boost and earn more from this particular store right here? You can see we have a lot of cars right here, and these particular cars are going to be upgrading. So the more higher you go, the more benefits are going to be getting from this particular store. So I'm going to notice that my cars are actually moving on their own, they're combining together. So this is how it works. So we are going to be matching cars together right now. So we have about cars that are 22 and 22 are going to be matched together to make 23. 23 are going to match together to make. So how did I actually get this in Robo? You can see 22 actually match, 23 actually match. So how do you get this done? So you click on this particular side that said boost right here. So on your boosting, you are going to be boosting right here. So you can actually boost for free, and you're going to be watching ads and boost right here. And if you want to boost to earn 6x in 8 hours, you're going to be paying some amount of star right here. So if you have a lot of star to pay, you can actually progress to pay on this. All right, so I'm going to show you a proof of someone that actually inflated this particular project so much. And we all know pharmacy. If you don't know pharmacy is on Telegram. Let me show you, it's actually Andrew right here. So this is pharmacy on Telegram right now, and recently, about a few minutes ago, pharmacy just bought about 1,000 worth of ton to this particular project. So you can go straight to read through this particular stuff. I'm going to send my link to the description, also link to my Telegram account is going to be at the description of this particular video. This is currently my Telegram account right here, so you can also join and be a family to not miss any update right now. So let's go ahead back into this. So right here, I'm going to click on this. Okay, all right, so if you have any question, just let me know at the description of this particular video. At the comment section, just drop a comment. I'm going to write right here. So you can actually invite your friend also into this particular project to earn more right here. So you click on this particular side which says earning. So on your earning, you're going to be getting reward right here. You can complete all these particular tasks right here. So once you complete all these tasks, it's actually going to increase. You're going to get more coin right here. So this is your achievement. Then you're going to do your daily login also. So the day you log in, you're going to be getting more bonus, then draft and thereabout. So you know how to do this. This is majorly just the way Airdrop actually does right here. So first thing first, and the last thing I'm going to be showing you before we go is that, so I've actually completed all this particular site, and I've currently claimed them right here. So a lot to be claimed is actually coming up right here. So all right, so let's check out this particular site. So we have this particular site that says the garage, and this particular garage is where you actually upgrade your cars right now. You actually upgrade your car. So currently I'm on level 32 right here. This is currently level 2, so I'm trying to unlock this particular one that says level 33 right here. So the higher you unlock, the more the draft actually come into this particular project right now. All right, so let's click on this. So this is about the mining area. So on the mining, you are going to see we have a lot of update right here, and this is sponsor assistant. So if you actually upgrade some of this particular stuff, you are going to be having a chance for mining more right here, just the way all project actually does right now. So let me come back to this particular side. You can see the car is actually driving, and this is what counts. So the drifts of these particular cars are the one loading up right here. So the more they load is actually going to be increasing your price at this particular side, and the more it increases, the more money you're going to be making, the more allocation right here. So I'm going to be dropping right here, and if you have further question, please do to go to the comment section and drop your comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day ahead.